Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating the Wi-Fi number on the router label because that's the quickest, reliable source. Once located, make sure your device is awake and the Wi-Fi menu is open so you can act immediately. Entering the number correctly matters. Small differences in case and similar characters break access, so pause and confirm each character. If the router uses a separate PIN for setup, use that only in the setup dialog. Otherwise, use the network password field. You now pick the correct SSID from the list. Don't guess. Devices often show many similar names. Once chosen, enter the Wi-Fi number into the password field and use the show option so you can verify characters before submitting. This prevents repeated failures. Make sure to choose the appropriate band, 4 GHz for better range, 5 GHz for faster throughput. After authenticating, wait for the IP assignment. If you need a static IP, set it in advanced settings for the device. You finish by confirming internet access. Open a web page or run a simple ping to ensure packets flow. If the connection fails, restart the router and your device, then re-enter the Wi-Fi number carefully. Many issues are due to typos or cache settings. If problems persist, log into the router admin to reset the Wi-Fi number or view current credentials. This resolves mismatches. One troubleshooting tip: try another device to isolate whether the issue is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.